smoking pipe. Smoking, including vaping, is not allowed.
Order kami ng ABLCI, yung Astoria. Guys, good morning! So, papunta kami ngayon sa Palawan.
So, it's my birthday.
Yes, so kahapon di na ako nakapag-vlog kasi may mga bisita. So ngayon, pupunta na kami ng
Palawan!
airport muna bago Palawan. Na? Kabungos.
Say happy birthday to my,
Tumay.
Say happy birthday
Tumay
to the
ma.
comments.
To the comments. Say happy birthday daw po, guys, to the comment section. Para kay Ethan. Ayun, they will say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday daw, sabi ng viewers.
7 na ako.
7 na po siya. 11 ang flight namin, tapos agahan lang namin kasi first time namin doon sa Terminal 2. So lahat na ng domestic, ang alam ko doon na sa Terminal 2. Ayun. So bye-bye. Ba't umiiyak ako? Ha?
Umiiyak kami yung...
Umiiyak.
May message yung crush niya sa akin.
Umiiyak siya. Sasakay lang siya ng aeroplano. Umiiyak na siya.
Ba't ko umiiyak?
Be, wag ka umiiyak. Wake up na! Sasakay lang tayo ng aeroplano.
Mamatay na daw siya.
Naghihintay lang kami kay daddy kasi naganap siya ng parking. Ang dilim. Balita ko may so dito muna kami sa labas. Kayo nga maraming pera eh.
Fee check.
Hala, naiwan ko yung bigay ni tita.
Nasa
Okay lang
wallet
yun,
ko.
hindi ka naman gumagastos
1K.
talaga eh. Nag-ano na ako baby. Isa pa?
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close?
First, you can
Ranging from
Plus, passenger were seated. As you may experience exterior turbulence during flight.
in my dreams.
Use
The
the
last
lavatories
time
located in your
I
section.
recall was a
Separate the
feeling
lavatories
of
smoke detectors against the wall.
I
So this is
don't
a
know
non-smoking pipe. Smoking, including vaping, is not allowed.
where I'm going isn't
Mind
far,
your
but
belongings throughout the
in
flight.
case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get
Nandito na
there.
naman po kami
I really
sa
miss
Palawan.
the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear it call again. For now I will feel the ocean through. And I pray that it won't be over
Where do you wanna sit?
soon.
Here in front?
Oh my
I will be
heavens,
sitting
the
here.
sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive. The coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray that it won't it always closed, ranging from a movie scene made of people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade.
Dati din tayo sa may parang pa-second floor, di ba?
Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love better.
130.
Call again. For now I will feel the ocean view.
Kasi dati medyo wala tayong view dahil.
I pray
Ayun,
that it
paglabas mo,
won't be
pwede ka na.
over soon. Oh my, I miss
Ah,
the
sige, card.
sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive.
So guys, ito yung aming room. Ayan, room tour muna tayo. So ito yung mini sala. Tapos merong dining table. Ayan, tapos may table din dito sa side. Tapos merong kitchen. Ayan, kompleto. Oh, may Joy na pala. Ay, Joy. May dishwashing na. Ayan, microwave. Yan, tapos may lutuan. Pwede ka magluto dito, guys. And then, doon naman tayo sa, ayan, si Daddy, kasama yan dito. With matching, ano. So, may TV din sila. Ayan, dito yung TV. So, ayan ang living room. Tapos, ang room. Ayan. So, this is good for 4 persons. Tapos, dito ulit, merong ulit TV. Ayan. And, ito yung bathroom. Ayan.
Can I have the video?
Maganda, oh. May pabato-bato pa. Ayan. So, ito yung bathroom. Ganda pala yung tsura niyan. So, toilet and the shower. And, ayan. May sink. Wow! Ito pala, oh. Bathtub. Ganda. Ayun guys, so first time namin dito mag-room. So bago tong room na to. Kasi yung room namin before, ganito rin siya, dalawa. Pero kama pa rin yung doon, isang kama. Tapos katabi niya yung small dining table. Tapos yung parang kitchenette. Maliit lang na lutuan. Tapos isang ganitong room na dalawa yung bed. So this one, dito na kami sa villa. Paglabas mo, ayan, sa baba lang siya, sa ground lang siya. Kasi yung dati naming pinagstayan dito sa Astoria, Palawan is building siya. So, aakyat ka pa. Tapos ito guys, ayun pala, nakalimutan ko i-mention. Member kasi kami ng AVLCI. So, Astoria. Huy, pinatay mo yung ilaw. Member kami ng AVLCI, yung Astoria.
Vacation and leisure.
Vacation
And leisure.
and leisure.
Leisure?
Ay, ano, AVLCI, Astoria Vacation Leisure Club Incorporated.
Leisure.
Leisure. So, iba-ibang, ano yan, iba-ibang room setup, iba-ibang membership. Merong studio, may deluxe, merong 1 bedroom, may 2 bedroom. So, yung aming membership is 1 bedroom. Ayan. Tapos, ayun guys. So, ayun. Kararating lang namin. At kami ay kakain muna ng lunch. Ayun.